In this video, we are solving lead code problem statement 643 called maximum average subarray. Problem statement says you are given an integer n nums consisting of n elements and integer k. Find the conjugate subarray whose length is equal to kth, that is maximum average value, and return this value any answer with a calculate error less than 10 power minus 5 will be accepted. For the approach, in the first part of the solution, calculating the first kth window sub array sum and then considering as a maximum sum initially, then sliding the whole window into the nums array and comparing the sub array sums frequently, then at the final of the solution, we are returning the maximum sum divided by k. Let's write code for it. Let window sum equal to 0. Write a for loop who goes to the k time inside the loop sum of the window. Then assign the maximum sum equal to window sum. Write a for loop who start with the k and goes to array length. Inside the loop, add the upcoming number. Also subtract the previous one. Then compare the who is the maximum. If the maximum, assign the maximum sum, and at the end of the solution return the maximum sum divided by k. Let's try to submit the code. Thanks for watching.